very quickly your fantasy team. And we'll also take one question from Kavish asking for, can we please discuss once in short the mid-season transfer that CSK can hope for? We'll take that later. We'll first start with the fantasy teams. Bureza, go for it.
I
Uh,
saw a big smile on Boryada's face when we spoke about Fantasy League. Boryada's like, okay, now it's my game.
Now
I'm
it's
here.
time.
no,
I'm going
no.
to take it
Spotlight.
on.
Oh man, I find it funny. Every time now I'm on air at India Today, somebody tells me, "Sir, fantasy team boliye na." I mean, it is unbelievable. My secretary yesterday at about 7:10 messages me saying Tom Banton is playing. Should I get him to open? I thought some important message, and they said, "Should I get him to open in place of Rahul Tripathi? Should I change my team?" I said, "People have lost it in India, man." But that's what IPL does to you, anyway. So
Yeah.
my team, I will actually go in with David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Manish Pandey, Shane Watson, Faf Duplessis, Ambati Raidu. I've made my teams. I can share screenshots. These six come in. Obviously, Johnny Bairstow keeping wicket, so five batsmen there. And the five batsmen have consumed quite a number of points, given that these players are. That's why I've dropped Williamson. In the middle, I really think that Sam Curran is the key, not Bravo. So Sam Curran. And then the bowling lineup, Rashid Khan, Khalil because of his left arm. I think that sort of helps. Khalil with his left arm and Shardul Thakur because of his uncanny ability to pick wickets every game. He is their best wicket taking bowler as far as I am concerned. And because the pitches are slowing down, Karan Sharma, the left arms, the leg spinner. If they play Imran Tahir, this team changes because Imran Tahir will walk in. If they play Nadeem, the Khalil change will happen. Khalil will go out. Nadeem will come in. So that is my team. Captain, vice captain, you know, I will go a little out of the box. Rashid Khan is an injured guy. And on a track that will help him, I will go in with Rashid Khan as captain, with either between Warner and Bairstow as vice captain. If you want to go the CSK way, you go in with Faf Duplessis as captain because of his consistency. Two matches failed, won't fail the third one. And go in with take a punt. Take a punt and Shardul Thakur as vice captain.
All right. All right. So that is a very interesting lineup. There's no Sam Curran in your lineup, so is it? Have I
I
got
said,
that right?
No, he
No,
has.
no, all rounder. Yeah, all rounder.
He's
Only
there.
all rounder is
He's
Sam Curran. Yes.
all right. Okay. What about you, Rajashri?
I'd go more the same way that Boria has because of the batting lineup, but I just take one punt with Imran Tahir, and I'm really hoping that he plays and it pays off. With my captain and vice captain, I've gone with Bairstow as captain and David Warner as vice captain because given the form that Johnny Bairstow has been, and again, I'm hoping that this punt comes off. But with me, what happens is I'm not a pro like Boria when it comes to fantasy cricket. His understanding of it. So, and I think it is an important lesson for all of you playing fantasy cricket is that you take your time and assess those situations. Like Pragyan, the night before a KKR game, he very sharply called out for Rahul Tripathi to open, and at that stage. Like Boria and I were discussing that KKR had already announced that Sunil Narayan would open the innings. So you go with your gut feelings and take a couple of punts. And I thought Pragyan's punt was very sharp and it paid off for whoever
Yeah.
took that game last night. I think he scored a quick 40 or thereabout. So that is my
When you're
only
playing
punt.
fantasy, when you're starting out playing fantasy, don't play big money. My advice to you will be don't put in 20,000 rupees and play one team. Don't, because you are starting out playing fantasy. That money can dent you, and all of us will then think, oh, why should I play? Like yesterday, I was experimenting. I did 22 teams, 11 in one fantasy league, 11 in one fantasy league, and Pragyan knows all my 22 teams won. So, and that told me, okay, so these punts are all my 22 teams won, all 22. So when we are giving you teams now, we are thinking, so just play small. For a start, play small and then go big. Because in fantasy, if you immediately go big and that one day you lose, you're like, boss, my money's gone. Why should I play anymore? Don't go that route.
Right. So Rajashri, are you playing Shardul Thakur at all or no?
Yes, in fact, he's one of my two pieces. Shardul Thakur has to play. Shardul Thakur has to play in these conditions. For me, Shardul is definitely in the team, and the only punt I've taken is with Imran Tahir because of the conditions that we were discussing. The pitches are slowing down, so he is my go-to man at least for this game. Hopefully, he plays and does well.
Awesome. Pragyan, sticking with Burada or making any changes there?
Yes, I'll have David Warner as my captain and Sam Curran as my vice captain because this guy He always picks wickets. That's what I feel. So that's the only change I'll do. And Imran Tahir also, because I have a strong feeling that somehow he's going to get a chance this game.
All right. All right.
I
Well,
think
thank
so
you
too.
so much, gentlemen. You made a call. You made a call, and thank you so much for joining me there. I'm going to see you guys in our post play. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Well, enjoy watching the match. It's a big match happening in Dubai. It's CSK versus SRH. Both these teams want to climb up the points table, and of course, CSK is lingering on hope, and they want to capitalize on this particular match. Stay tuned to Sports Today. We'll see you post play.